Good morning, everyone. Long time no see. Life has been lifing, so I took a step back from trading, which is going against everything that I said in like the first 2 or 3 videos. But I did upload a day that I traded the news back in January 11th. And since we're entering into the third quarter, well, oh my gosh, we're entering into the second quarter, excuse me, I figured now would be a good time to just hop back in all the craziness that was going on for the first 3 months of this year has, died down a little bit. So I'm hoping to get back on this trading journey as I should. And this is an example as why I put myself on this journey in the first place, trying to gain consistency first and then grow from there. All right. So today, I just want to talk to you guys about the trading tools that I use. If you looked at my past videos, you might have seen me hop from screen to screen on a couple of things. Um, so I just want to show you quickly what it is that I use, what I use it for. And I'm starting with forexfactory.com. Now, most of these things, well, all of these things really, I learned from my mentors and they taught me how to use them. So now I'm going to tell you guys. So, Forex Factory is a forum of all things Forex. It shows you trades, it shows you news, it shows you calendar, the market, the brokers. That's all right here on these top tabs. And all I really use it for is the calendar. So, we're going straight to the calendar. And that is what tells us what news is going on. The rule of thumb is the yellow news, the yellow folders that you see, we call it yellow folder news. Um, they're not that important. They don't affect the market that much. Medium impact, it could have an effect, but it's not that deep. But red folder news, that's when you want to be very careful in the market or just stay out of it completely. Okay, so this is what this week is looking like, but I like to look at it on a daily basis. So let's look at today only. And today is Wednesday, March 29th, 2023, and there is no red folder news. So here you have the time that the news drops, the currency that the news is for, the impact, and the title of the news. So what they're going to be talking about. And when you press these folders on the side, I'll use this as an example. So this was at 4:32. The Great British Pound had low impact news concerning mortgage approvals. And this is the information that you could see to get more insight of what happened. Um, it happened 2 minutes later than scheduled. That's good to know. That's why it's that weird time, 4:32. What this news measures, the effect of the news, actual greater than forecast is good for currency. So over here, you can see the previous actual forecast, and the previous forecast and the actual. Sorry, I confused myself. Um, so basically, what it's saying is they projected that the mortgage approvals would be 41K. The actual data that came out was 44K, and that was good for currency, so it is in green. And I didn't see what the effect was on the chart. Sometimes it has an effect, sometimes it doesn't. It just depends. Okay, it tells you how often news like this is released, the next release date, some extra notes, what it's also called, and etc. And plus, they have related stories. I just want to make this quick. I'm not trying to go over time because for some reason with this app, when it goes past 7 minutes, it starts acting funky. So I just want to say that there is a way that you can backtrack the news. If I didn't say it before, here's the history. You can look at these dates. Like if it's red folder news, you can look at the date, look at the impact, go on your Forex chart, and see what happened with the news and with that information. Okay, so that's just a quick look at forexfactory.com. Investing.com is where I get a little bit of my fundamentals as well. And here's how you navigate it. I go to markets, I go to currencies, and GU is right here at the top. That's my favorite pair. If your pair is not on this list, I guess you can look here or search the website. But I just click GU straight away, and it brings me to the real-time progress, what it's doing, real-time data, general chart, news and analysis, technical, and the forum. I only really look at the news and analysis, and that'll give me different articles on uh, the British economy, the US economy. See here, dollar edges higher, still fragile as banking confidence improves, stuff like that. You got opinion columns, you got the technical analysis. You can even look at candlestick patterns to help you gain more confidence and confluence with entering in a trade. Right now, GU is pretty neutral. I entered into the trade, but we'll see how it goes. It's pretty neutral right now. Some are saying buy, some are saying sell, and it's Wednesday, so usually on Wednesdays there's reversals going on. So we'll see what happens. But yeah, that is basically investing.com. It is the GOAT. Okay. And then there's a currency index where I look at the US dollar to see what the US dollar alone is doing. Okay. And as you can see, I was already looking at it. I was looking at the 5-minute chart, marked it up a little bit to see what direction it would go in and stuff like that. So you can, it's the same thing. They get this data from TradingView. That's what this is. But it's just on their website. And if you want to look at any other currency, you just press this drop down menu. You can look at the euro, the pound, the Swiss franc, the Japanese yen, the Canadian dollar, Aussie, New Zealand. I don't know what CNH is. Is that China? I think so. So there's some exotics on here. Oh, look, you can even look at gold. Look at that. Gold and silver. Okay. So yeah, the Singapore dollar's on there. So these are just some tools that I use. And of course, the handy dandy trading view chart. These are just some things that I use to help me enter into the trade, get a better understanding of the chart that I am looking at. And I hope this helps you all. It's good to be back. It's good to be back on track. Um, I'm glad to be able to share this information with you all, and I want to grow a community that will help us all become better traders and get this money. Okay. So I hope y'all have a wonderful day, and I will see you in the next one.